Okay, to finish off section 7.2, I want to offer you guys an extra credit question. It's kind of a fun one. It doesn't seem like it's going to be very difficult at first, but let's see if you guys can figure it out. Okay, here's the setup. Here's the scenario. We have a semi-truck with fuel tanks on the sides. Now, on many semi-trucks, the fuel tank is in the shape of a cylinder that's laying on its side. So I tried to draw you, just kind of a ballpark fuel tank below. But the problem is with this semi-truck, the gas gauge doesn't work. All right, gas gauge is broken. So kind of a tried and true method for kind of getting a feel for how much fuel is in a tank like this is to use a stick, to use a piece of wood. Open the top of the tank. Let me see if I could draw you guys something here. There would traditionally be some sort of little spout on the top with a cap on it. So what you could do is remove the cap, and then you could drop your stick in all the way down to the bottom of the tank, and then lift it out, and then see where the stick is wet to. To what point on the stick is it wet with fuel? Okay? Now, what I want you to consider a fuel tank that's 36 inches long and 20 inches in diameter. And what I want you to do is I want you to tell me, how would you know when the fuel tank is 3/4 full of fuel? How do you know when the fuel tank is 3/4 full of fuel? Okay? And to get the extra credit, I want you to tell me how deep would the fuel have to be so the tank is 3/4 full. Okay? Now, of course, since you're pushing the stick all the way down to the bottom, you're putting 20 inches of stick into the tank. All right, how far up from the bottom would it have to be wet when the tank is 3/4 full? Sound okay? All right, now I'm just going to give you a little bit of a hint. So I'm going to scooch this up just a little bit, and let's see if I can draw you a quick circle. So if I were to draw you guys a circle, and I'm going to put a diameter right through the middle, that's meant to be horizontal. So of course at that point, at the 10-inch mark, it would be half full. But where would it be 3/4 full? So my question is, can you guys think of now I know I'm switching gears, but because of gravity, I hope you can kind of make the jump. Could you guys find the area for the entire circular end of the tank? Of course you could. It'd be pi r squared. So can everyone calculate the total volume of the tank? Of course. Now what I need you to do is figure out when that is 3/4 full. When is that going to be 3/4 full? And then I'll just give you a little bit of a hint, try and help out. Think about putting an x-axis and a y-axis through the middle of the tank. Right? Does that help out? Give it a try. See if you can tell me at what depth, where would this value be? Where would this value be for the tank to be 3/4 full? All right, if you feel like challenging yourself, give that a try, have a little bit of fun, talk it over amongst each other a little bit if you wish, okay? And then send it back to me and we'll see how you did. Okay? All right, we're gonna be one more little assignment to get you ready for a quiz for 7.1 and 7.2, but I'll take care of that on a different day. All right, should hopefully send that to you on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, have a good day. Talk to you soon. Bye.